Every day, thousands of Filipinos leave home, not to escape, but to sacrifice. They carry with them not just luggage, but dreams, hope, and love. Being an OFW is not easy. You wake up in a land that's not yours. You work tirelessly in a language that's not your own. And every night you sleep in a bed far from the arms that once tucked you in. But you endure because you know back home someone smiles because of you. Someone eats because of you. Someone dreams bigger because you dared to be strong. There are days you'll cry alone, days when the weight feels too heavy. But remember this, every tear you shed waters the seed of a better future. You are a hero, not because of what you send, but because of what you give up. You may be far from home, but your heart has never left. Kaya mo yan, kabayan. You are not alone. Stand proud, walk strong, because every sacrifice you make is a story of love. Mabuhay ka, OFW, ang bayani ng makabagong panahon.